Hello again and welcome back to another vlog, and this time we're staying at Premier Inn Cardiff Bay. You are a short walk away from plenty of attractions. A variety of bars and restaurants and public transport. Walking inside the hotel, there's a huge reception area. There's 3 self-check-in kiosks, a reception desk, there's comfy chairs, a desk for a car validation and to phone for a taxi. There's a large restaurant area. There's a bar. There's vending machines just in case you want a cheeky snack. There were 3 lifts to take you to the hotel rooms, and our room was room 120. We walked in and we couldn't believe it. Our room was absolutely huge. Our room was a corner room. It had space for 2 comfy chairs and a table. There were 2 more chairs, so we had 1 chair each to sit on. The space was a huge bonus, but we had all the essentials that all Premier Inn rooms have. It was a family room, so there was a double bed and 2 single beds set up. There were plenty of plug sockets, however there were no USB sockets. There's tea and coffee making facilities. A TV mounted on the wall. Spare pillows and towels and extra hanging space. A large mirror, a hairdryer, a vanity station and light up mirror, and coat hooks. The bathroom was clean and fully functional. There was hand soap, there's a double-headed shower that I've never seen before in a Premier Inn hotel. And there's complimentary shower gel. We had dinner at the restaurant. It was really nice. And there's plenty of variety to suit everyone. Breakfast time was extremely busy. We were recommended to book a time to eat. It took a while for the staff to replenish the hot food. However, the food was cooked really well and we enjoyed it.